An Oldsmobile, an Amani SS. These cars are all nice. 80s. Monte Carlo, 80s-ish. 6, guessing. I'm not exactly sure. Buick. 2 Buicks.
My front end was real bouncy. So when I got
Another Oldsmobile. That's a Chevy. That's a Chevy. And there's another Monte SS, folks. Pulling in. Ooh, there's that 63 Cadillac I've seen before. Followed by, I believe, a 73 Delta 88 convertible. It's a nice car. That's a real nice car. Wow, look at that interior. That looks mint. And here's a beautiful Cadillac. I like this car. This car has less than 30,000 original on it itself. And a 1960 Chevrolet. Custom touches on the favorite cars of all time, Chevrolet Nova. My first car was a Nova, 1970. I love these cars. I'm gonna get one someday. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. Ah, I love this car. The vinyl top works. Triple black too, exactly what I wanted. Fantastic, that guy's gonna sell that car anytime soon. Here's a Caprice Classic, I'm gonna guess 73. That's definitely early 70s. Let's ask the owners, hopefully they're here. S10 Blazer, Trailblazer SS. A lot of people think these are Corvette motors. These are the iron block version, and actually better. in terms of putting it into a SUV. Here we have a Pontiac Fiero. I've always had a